Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this really pretty yellow smoky and dark purple lip. It's giving me life. I'm loving it. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are starting out with eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using the Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC, and this is Soft Ochre. Going to be applying quite a thick layer of this because I'm going to use bright colors, so I need those bright colors to pop. Now I'm going to be applying the yellow in the James Charles and Morphe palette. It's the shade B. It's just a very bright yellow. Now I'm going to be applying Code James, which is kind of like a bronzer shade. It's like a dark orange on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to be applying the black in the same palette, and it is shade Spooky. I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner. Once you apply the black, I'm going in again with Code James and just softening up around the black. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C6. And then with my flat brush, I'm just going to clean this up. Once you have cleaned that up, I'm going to be using the shade Shook in the same palette, and it's like a white shimmer. And I'm going to apply this on top of the concealer. Now I'm going to be applying that same yellow on the edge here just to blend everything nicely together. I'm going in with Code James and just blending the yellow into the black. And then I'm going to intensify the black with a small brush. Now I'm going to be applying the Black Magic Eyeliner by BYS, and this comes with a brush which I really love. So now I'm applying my lashes, and this is from Sphinx Beauty. I think I'm using the N is for Nail again, so I'm quickly going to apply that. Okay guys, I applied my glue on my lashes. I'm just going to apply my primer while my glue gets sticky, and I'm using the Gosh Primer Plus. This is the Skin Adapter in shade Chameleon. So lashes are on. I'm going to be applying the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and this is shade in C35. In summer I go quite dark, and then I'm usually in C40. Now I'm going to be applying the highlight and contour sticks from Smashbox. I'm using the highlight stick first. I'm just applying this underneath my eye. Now with the contour stick, now I'm going to be using the Stroben Glow Kit by Gosh, and this is 001. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Woolworths Face Contour palette. And this is one of my favorite palettes. It's really beautiful. I love this highlighter shade in here. It's kind of like a blush slash highlighter. It's a very shimmery highlighter. Shimmery blush, sorry. And the two contour shades. Now I'm going to be applying that orange shade under my eye and then the black. First the Code James and then the black eyeshadow. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to be applying the Catchy Eyes mascara from Gosh. Look how cute this color is. I'm in love. Ooh, look at that brush. That is gorgeous. Now I'm going to be applying the Flormar Brow Primer. And then just giving a spoolie to brush all of the hairs up. Then using my Flormar Brow Pen, just creating some extra hairs and going through the brow, adding some strokes to add that extra fluffiness. Then with my spoolie, just apply some hairspray. Keep those stubborn hairs from going back into its usual brow shape. Okay guys, now that brows are done, I'm going to be applying the Maybelline and Puma collab liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Fierce. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. I'm so obsessed with it. Okay guys, I'm going to be applying the Prime and Set mattifying powder in shade Banana from Gosh. So guys, that is the full tutorial for how I created this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see the reviews of all of these products, go to my Instagram page at Luciana Isaacs and you'll find it there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.